Morning, this is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Stalkers and Ninja Pro Trader Indicators. It's 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation. So let's take a look at last night's open. Looks like we opened somewhere around 20, 55, 50, yeah, somewhere right in here, which was our overnight high. And the market just kind of continued to drift down, left over from yesterday's closing session. And then we consolidated right along this zone just below this red DTZ. And then about 125 this morning, it just dropped right back down and all the way down to this 2040, 2042 zone. Kind of straggled here for a little bit, traded down below it. About 2037.50 was our low, right back up to the 24-hour VWAP at 2045 area. And now we're right back in this zone. Anticipate some consolidation in this area till market open and possible news at 7:30. So we'll just kind of watch that. What we're looking forward to the downside right now, since that's where we're heading, is we retested this 24 VWAP. We're down here in this zone. Maybe a little bit of retest here, but we should drive down to another double bottom at 2037.50, and then down into this 2036 zone area right here, somewhere between 2036 and 2034. A little bit of pullback to retest this if it's truly a down day, and then it'll test to go right back through this zone, and we're going to head down to the 2028, 2026 zone. Uh, I would say that would be towards the bottom of the day, so we need to be real cautious. However, this oil move is just pulling the market with it, so need to be cautious and be careful. That's all I can say. We get down to this area, you're not start looking for a bottom in this area. Don't be fishing for it, but just look for the good signs to rotation. A little less aggressive. Make sure we get closed above this zone before we start heading back up to the long side and taking targets that way. And just use your zones on the way up, just on the way down for profit targets and areas of consolidation as well. Okay. So once we get back up into here, if we can shift to the high side, once if we move down that low, the 24-hour VWAP will drop with it. Once we get it closed above that 24-hour VWAP, wherever that is, wait for a cross above that. Just be cautious if it's in a zone area. If it is, then wait for yourself to clear the zone and the 24-hour VWAP. Other than that, you can use that and then just drive on up. Start by using pivots here. Look for some pullback to test the 24-hour VWAP here this morning if we get a great return on the open. And then from after we close above it, come back and check the 2044 area. First target will be 49 to 51 area, more than likely the 59 area or the 51 area. Look for some pullback, possibly some consolidation. Sellers are going to step in. Maybe a fight down in here to the 2047, maybe even all the way back into this zone. Let's hope that doesn't happen if we start to move upward, or this will just be a big consolidation area today. So once we get into here, look for the close above, and once we retest here and come back up, obviously next targets are the 2056, and then we'll head back up and try this 2060, 2062 area 50 again. Be cautious with your trading. Keep an eye on oil in the back burner news as well. And this is Frankie Trade Stalkers. Have a great day.